Dear friends, how to get over this coronavirus infections? Basically, not only we Indian people, all over India, humankind is dedicated their life, controlled their life by discipline, moral, only on ecclesiastical systems. Whatever may be the religion, sect, the procedure and practice we followed. Is this the first virus affecting our people? No, it is not correct. We have faced so many viruses similarly to that, even when we were living in below normal stage of medical facilities and scientific inventions. What is happening now? Because of the scientific invention, the imposed ideological thoughts, inventions, medicines by a sector, corporate people, we are being psychologically invaded. Our minds are disturbed. See, it is not that humankind alone is praying the God for any relief or other things. One thing you all should keep in your mind, that the warrior in olden days, the primary duty of every humankind was to save their family and the country from invasion of barbaric tribes or foreign countries invasions. That time, did we afraid to die? Did we afraid to fight? Did we afraid to go ahead for resisting anything, expecting all perks and facilities, food and other things? Imagine the psychological fear prevailing in India is most adversity we are facing now. I could not understand how this government is imposing curb on people worshipping gods. I want these people to deny the other souls like birds, animals, praying God whenever they are at troubles. I have personally experienced that when hen, after hatching several chicks, if the one of the chicks sustain an injury or surviving for life, that chick always open its mouth and started praying above the sky. Later on, I found that the chicks survived. It was my experience that when a dog was eaten by unruly mob, that dog, after sustaining injury, just stood in front of my home, showed her injuries, and thereafter simply laid down there. Thereafter I helped them by pouring water and curing the injury. I have not known whether that dog belonged to which family or belonged to whom, but dog knows that here is a man who always used to help the others. This is communication between the God and souls. I hope the system now prevailing, the curbs being imposed by this government is unsustainable. You allow everybody to pray, don't impose curb. You can regulate them. You cannot impose curbs preventing the prayer. See, is anybody can deny the historical moment when Aurangzeb found his son Akbar lying on bed for surviving for his life. He prayed the Lord to sacrifice his life for the survival of his son, and few days later Aurangzeb died, Akbar survived. This what happened, this is periodically happening. Therefore, first I request all this, particularly this government, this Bharatiya Janata Party, which was soundly directed to follow the principles of Hindu Dharma, not to curb the worship and prayer of the gods. Now, second thing, psychologically approach the people to be brave. The termination of life is not at your hand. It is at the hands of Creator. You people, the scientist people, are disturbing the astronomic movements of the planets. Therefore, you are facing consequences. If you start controlling those ideas of reaching Mars, Venus, and sending satellites to other planets, is nothing but irritating the gods. You yourself is disturbing your own system of these planets moving. I may not be a last person to point out these irregularities, because we live in movement of Grahas. I therefore, this is my advice for all concerned persons, not to curb the prayers of the people going to worship whatever may be the places. It is the God only can help you. That is high boost of energy, psychological strength to people to survive for any aggressive by either calamities or invasion by foreigners or barbaric assault on the public. This is my humble. Next question, I earnestly request all the people, every world, every science, whatever may be the medical science, homeopathy or allopathy or Siddha, Chinese medicine practice, every practice is based upon God belief and the food process. In India, we have our own food process being guided by our elders. So you strictly follow food, avoid the scientific medical assistance. The psychological impact on the present Indians are that they have self-imposed a bad psychological impact that without this we may not survive. That resulting the casualties. And I earnestly request, beg you all, that do not impose these sort of thoughts to your young generations. I humbly request is strictly pray the Lord, pray the God, pray your ancestors, pray your worship your elders, follow their guidelines, follow the food principles strictly, and get over this. It is not that one who suffer from cough or something is about to victim of corona. The new name is stick it on your head that this corona is dangerous. After all, we have a span of life, limited span of life. We have to get over this period. This psychological fear prevailing among public should be eliminated, and everybody should self constraint to face this. Only the methods given by our elders, not the scientific inventors. There may be some emergent contingencies. The scientific invention may help, not always, even for taking food, bringing up children, and looking after parents. The scientific inventions are now invading your rights and liabilities, and you are at the last risk of this psychological impact. I therefore request all of you to keep this corona fear out of your mind. Pray your God, pray your system, follow your system of ethics and moral preached by your elders and your ecclesiastical leaders. I therefore request you, be brave to face this corona situation, and I ask all to strictly clear the minds of the people that this corona is not dangerous enough unless and until you keep in your mind that this is dangerous. You can face it. We have faced a lot of viruses already, and we have come over that when there were no proper facilities. Now we have facilities, now we have knowledge. Kindly go through that, and I ask this all the governments to allow the public to pray the Lords by some restrictions. Thanks you all. Best wishes.